Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and in today's video we're going to explore, can a lock be designed and 3D printed? The type of lock that I chose is going to be a disc detainer lock, which you can see in front of you right here. This is a lock that's not too common in the United States, but why I chose it is because it is a lock that is more sophisticated, it's going to have more working parts, and it's going to be harder to design. When you take a look at this lock, you're going to have individual discs that are going to need to interact with the key. And once you get them all aligned, it's going to make a gap so that the sidebar is going to drop down. Then you'll be able to open up the lock. So what we're going to do is take a look at one of our community members' attempts at making a really cool 3D printed lock. More information is coming up on this in just a second. Please stay tuned. So the answer is yes, you can make a 3D printed lock. And what I have in front of you here is a really cool one because it's a much more sophisticated lock, which is a 3D printed disc detainer lock, which is made by LethalogicaX. She's a really cool member who is always making some pretty cool stuff. And this lock comes with an iconic disc detainer lock style key, as you can see here, and the cat added to the bow is for fun. So when we insert the key, we're able to turn the lock over and we can see how beautiful it's going to work. Look at how we can get that shackle right out, we can return it, and then we're going to be able to reset this lock and put it back into the locked position. One other thing that she was able to send me was a secondary core, which is really cool because you're going to be able to see all of the gates line up when you have the correct key in, which you can see right here. I think this is a really cool project, and it is a really great showing because just look at these individual discs that you're going to need to make sure that are going to align perfectly. This is such a really cool thing. If you want another example of what some of the parts look like, here are some of the spare parts that were sent me, and you can see the individual discs in here. So the answer to the question is absolutely, you can 3D print a lock. It is something that is really cool. There are people that are working on 3D printing keys, and it's just really interesting to see what the 3D market is going to be able to do in the future. I just want to say thank you again to LethalogicaX for taking the time out of your day and being able to put in the commitment to do something really cool like a project like this. LethalogicaX has been away from her channel for a little while now, but she does plan to return. She has not forgotten about the community, and she's looking forward to making more videos in the future. I want to say that this is a true testament of her commitment to the hobby. This is something that is really cool, and I just wanted to share it with you today. If you'd like to check out this project, what I'm going to do is I will share in the video description below a link to her Thingiverse project so you can download it and put one together yourself. It is going to take a little bit of final finishing in order to get everything nice and smooth. If you'd like more information on the teardown and setup, what you can do is check out her channel, and I'll put a link on the top here so you can see her videos on that. But today's video is just a really great demonstration of the possibilities and the ingenuity of our community. You absolutely can 3D print a lock. It is something that is really cool, and it's just really something I look forward to seeing what we're going to be able to come up with in the future. But either way, this is all that I have for you today. If you have any questions or suggestions, as always, please feel free to leave those right in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.